In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some essential features on Hostinger to effectively manage and customize your website. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your website management skills, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's begin by heading to the Hostinger homepage. Open your browser and type in Hostinger's URL. Once there, ensure you're logged into your account to access all the available options. Moving on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options. The one you're interested in is located at the top menu, the Websites tab. Clicking on this option will take you to a page where all your websites are displayed. Now that you have a clear view of your projects, the next action is to select the website you wish to edit. You'll see an Edit Website button appearing when you hover over the specific site. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. You're now entering the website builder interface, which is both intuitive and rich with customization tools. Within the builder, you'll encounter a range of options on the left sidebar. Here, look for something labeled Checkbook or an icon similar to it. Clicking this will open up additional options where you can manage your website's content structure. It's like opening a toolbox where each tool has a specific function in shaping your online presence. Next, if you're looking to add fresh content, you'll want to find and click on the Add New Post option. This feature is crucial for keeping your website up to date with new information, articles, or updates about your business or personal projects. It's ideal for bloggers or businesses aiming to maintain engagement with their audience. Once your content is in place, you may wish to adjust the visual aspects of your site to ensure consistency and appeal. This takes us to the Edit Blog Header option. Clicking on this will allow you to modify the headers of your pages, potentially adding logos, changing font styles, or resizing text to suit your desired look and feel. Alongside the blog header, you might want to tweak the overall layout of your site. The Layout option provides the flexibility to rearrange how different elements are presented on the page, contributing to improved navigation and aesthetic uniformity. Finally, consider the impact of your site's background on its overall theme. By clicking on Background, you're able to change the backdrop that visitors see, perhaps enhancing it with colors or images that reinforce your brand identity or the thematic essence of your website. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to navigate and customize key features of your website on Hostinger, giving you the foundation to create a site that truly reflects your vision. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more proficient you'll become at managing your online presence.